said, just hang on a minute. He's about 5 minutes out.
That's a good one.
Yeah. Yeah, he can pull his Jeep over here if you need more.
Alright guys, we got a call tonight to repair this tow truck frame, this rollback. Said he had a crack. Well, yeah, he got a crack. Typically, I steer away from these frame jobs, but it's a buddy of mine, and my plan was to come in and fish plate, do a complete joint penetration weld on it, but he's got both sides already fish plated, so we're gonna gouge it out, do a full pin weld, and then we're gonna fish plate this top piece. There won't be any interference, so that's the plan. Usually I steer clear of these frame jobs, but I'm confident I can get him going again without any issues. So you can kind of see somebody's already tried to repair that. Just put a little fat weld on the top. That'll never work. So we're gonna cut all that out. Take my torch, I'll gouge it, and I'll show y'all how to fix it right. I'm on fire. Oh no. I can't reach my rod. Shoo! They don't tell you about this part, do they, boys? You gotta get amongst them. Ah. Alright, here we go. A little hot. Think we can make it work. For all the YouTube welders. I think y'all's job, YouTube welders, to sit at home and judge everybody's welds behind your computer. That's the job. That's the dream job. That was it. Woo! Alright. Let's see here. Hold up, hold up. It's 8:03. I started at 6:40. We went in and put a full pin weld. You see my heat lines on the back. Full pin weld, both sides. That side too. Fish plate on top because they already had it on the web. Bam. Now we just need to paint it. Hide them ugly welds. Look at that. Who welded that? Golly.
In that frame, this thing had a bus body on it.
Oh, that makes sense because
tow truck body on it.
I've never seen it fish plated like that unless it's already broke. That was a clean break.